Star Maker, ang hirap nung term na Star Maker. I've been, ever since I started my career, taga-taga na, 3 dekada na yun, I've
30.
been comfortable working with very young actors.
You are known for discovering artists that we all know and love. Are there particular traits or skills that you believe set apart successful talents in the industry? And how do you identify these in individuals during the audition process?
It's hard to identify it in the audition process right away, but you'll have a sensing of what that is. Siyempre sa umpisa, we're a visual medium so dapat visually, kung ano yung hinahanap ng role, dapat mag-match yun. Pero ang importante sa akin kasi yung attitude at yung character nung baguhan. Willing ba siya dumaan sa proseso na matututo siya? Madali ba siya matuto? Nakikinig ba siya? May grit ba siya na hindi yung porke nasabihan lang ng tumutupingan. So, importante, mas maraming ngayon, actually maraming magaling. Pero mas gugustuhin ngayon ng mga producers na katrabaho yung mabait at yung professional.
Marunong makisama.
Yung marunong makisama.
You've been in the industry for so long. May mga ganun-ganun sila direct. For the record, direct.
Totoo naman, dahil
Yes!
show.
Exactly.
At iba pa nga, pinag-usapan namin at iba pa nga.
Ay, grabe naman. Pero, just for the record, direct, ilang taon ka nang nagiging star maker?
Star Maker, ang hirap nung term na Star Maker. I've been, ever since I started my career, taga-taga na, 3 dekada na yun, I've
30.
been comfortable working with very young actors. I was the director of Gimmick, at iba pa at that time. So, I was part of SEQ, and then PBB was leading sa mga things and what have you. I'm really comfortable working with new ones.
Okay. So, that's 30 years, direct. My question is,
30 years in the industry.
I know. Pero ang tanong ko kasi, direct, is, bakit hindi ka napapagod bringing new stars in front of the camera?
I find so much joy seeing yung... Sinabi ko nga dati, actually, yung PBB, sabi ko, pag audition process ng PBB in particular, it's like finding a needle in a haystack. Sa libo-libong tao nandyan, makahanap lang ako ng isa o dalawa na lalaki o magkakaroon ng magandang karera sa industriya, nakakataba ng puso. And I always believe na probably part of my mission is to help others na ma-attain nila yung full potential nila. Because I feel that's the service that I can give to the young hopefuls na makatulong. Kailangan lang naman may isang taong maniwala sa isang may potential. That's all you need, one person to believe in you. Talagang mapupush ka. And sometimes I want to be, and most of the time I want to be that person to our new artists. Na pag may sinabi ako just to help them, na maniwala sila lalo sa sarili nila. Ang laki nung hindi man sila sumikat ng gusto, yung mabibigay nun sa pagkatao nila and their chosen career in the future, di ba? Gusto kong matandaan nila yung paniniwala ko sa potential ng bawat isang masasabi ko, ikaw may potential.